In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add background to your video in CapCut PC. The first thing I'm going to do is to come over to my media pool over here and drag this video onto my timeline. Now, to add a background to your video, what you need to do is come over to media, scroll down to library over here, and we have black and white backgrounds over here. Now, I'm going to select this video and drag it to track layer 2 and drag the white background to track layer 1. Now, the first issues we have here is that the backgrounds we have are only white and black, and that the duration is automatically set to 5 seconds. What we need to do first to change the color is to select the video clip over here and come over to scale and adjust the scale of this video a bit so we can see the background. You can uncheck uniform scale over here so that you can manually adjust the width and the height of your clip over here. Once you have a background you are comfortable with, the next thing you need to do is to change the color of the background. So select white over here and come over to adjustments over here and select curves and scroll down. Over here, we can change the color of the white background. By selecting the white background and adjusting the curve over here, you can change this color of this background to either red or green over here, or you could scroll down and you could combine these three colors to get an effect that you prefer. Once you are comfortable with a color that you have chosen, what you need to do is to select this background over here, hold down Alt and drag it forward to duplicate it, and select the duplicate once more and highlight them both, hold down Alt and drag it forward to duplicate it. Alright, so I don't need so much. I'm going to delete this portion over here. Now the next thing you need to do is to highlight all these clips, right click and select create compound clip. And right now if I select this clip and come over to video over here, if I adjust the scale, it goes with the background that we have added to this clip over here. You can simply drag this video to a higher layer and bring in a different background beneath this video over here. And that's it guys on how to add borders to videos in CapCut PC.